gone.
Ethan! No, no, no!
First subway ride ever. I brought Bunny to see it too.
Everybody ready? The train leaves in 10 minutes.
Hold hands the whole time, okay? Subways get very crowded.
I promise, Mom. I'll hold on tight.
Stay close, everyone. Big crowd today.
Ethan, stay right behind me.
I'm coming. Wait for me.
Okay, I see him. He's right there behind us.
Station announcement. Doors closing.
Wait! Wait! Wait, don't go! They're gone. They're really gone.
Okay. Okay, Ethan. Think. What did Mom always say?
If you get lost, find someone in a uniform. Stay where it's safe. There. That's a uniform. Hi there. Are you okay? Where's your family? They're on the train. It left without me. I got stuck outside.
Copy that. Alert the next station.
Word flash towards Salem.
We have a child separated from his family. David, he's not here. He's not on the train.
The next stop. We get off at the next stop, right now.
Come on, come on, come on, come on!
We have to get back to him.
Which way, which way? One stop back. We can make it.
Can I wait right here until they come back?
Exactly right. You're doing everything perfectly, Ethan.
Is that them?
Ethan? Ethan, where are you?
Mom! Mom, I'm here!
Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness you're safe.
You did so well, buddy. You did exactly the right thing.
He remembered his safety plan perfectly. You should be proud.
Oh,
Thank you. Truly. Thank you so much.
New rule.
yeah.
Everyone holds hands
Yeah.
the second we step onto any platform.
You were so brave, Ethan. I would have cried. I was scared, but I remembered what Mom taught me.
That's exactly what being brave really means, sweetheart.
All right. Everybody in, everybody together.
Has this ever happened to you? Tell us in the comments.
See you next time for another Slow English story.